Did you know that somewhere in the world, a lonely dog once became the best friend of a giant elephant? It sounds impossible. Different size, different species, different worlds. Yet, when no one expected it, these two souls found something deeper than instinct: friendship. In a world where survival often means competition, these animals chose connection instead. And their stories will change the way you see love, trust, and companionship forever. Friendship is usually defined by similarities. Same language, same background, same world. But nature doesn't follow human rules. Across forests, farms, shelters, and sanctuaries, animals from completely different species are forming bonds so powerful that scientists can't fully explain them, but our hearts can feel them. These are not accidents. These are unlikely animal friendships that remind us of something we often forget. Love does not need permission. Friendship does not need similarity. And connection knows no species. Let us take you on a journey through the most heartwarming animal friendships ever witnessed. Stories that will restore your faith in kindness and unity. In a wildlife sanctuary in Asia, a young elephant named Bo lived a quiet, lonely life. Bo was rescued from harsh conditions. Though surrounded by caretakers, he missed something he couldn't name: companionship. One day, a small stray dog wandered into the sanctuary. The staff tried to remove him, worried about safety. But Bo noticed the dog before anyone else did. Instead of fear, Bo showed curiosity. The elephant gently lowered his trunk. The dog wagged his tail. From that moment, they were inseparable. The dog followed Bo everywhere. Bo protected the dog like family. When Bo bathed, the dog waited. When Bo slept, the dog stayed close. Despite their massive size difference, they shared something powerful: emotional understanding. This friendship taught the caretakers something extraordinary. Even the biggest hearts can feel lonely, and even the smallest companions can heal them. In a quiet rural area, a farmer noticed something unbelievable. His dog, Max, was playing every morning with a wild deer. Not chasing, not hunting, playing. They ran together across open fields. They rested under the same tree. The deer trusted the dog enough to bring her fawns near him. This wasn't survival behavior, it was friendship. Experts believe the bond formed when Max was young and non-threatening. But what followed went beyond instinct. The deer chose safety in companionship. The dog chose loyalty over instinct. They reminded us that peace is possible, even where we expect fear. Cats hunt birds. Birds fear cats. That is nature's rule. But one small kitten changed that story forever. A rescued kitten found an injured baby bird in a shelter. Instead of attacking, the kitten sat beside it. The caregivers watched in shock. The kitten guarded the bird, warming it with her body. She hissed at anyone who came too close. As days passed, the bird healed. But instead of flying away, it stayed. They ate together. They slept together. When the bird finally flew, it returned every day, choosing friendship over freedom. This bond proved something extraordinary. Compassion can silence instinct. On a small farm, a horse named Thunder became depressed after losing his longtime companion. He stopped eating. He refused to move. The farmer brought in a goat, hoping the company would help. What happened next was unexpected. The goat slept beside the horse, followed him everywhere, comforted him during storms. Thunder slowly healed. Years passed. They aged together. Even when Thunder grew weak, the goat never left his side. This wasn't just companionship. It was loyalty until the end. We've been told cats and dogs can't be friends. But in a crowded shelter, a scared puppy and a shy kitten proved everyone wrong. They were placed in the same cage by mistake. Instead of fighting, they curled up together. They shared warmth. They shared food. They shared fear. Soon, they shared trust. They were adopted together because separating them felt impossible. Sometimes, family isn't chosen by blood. It's chosen by need and understanding. Scientists say animals don't feel emotions like humans. But these stories challenge that belief. Animals feel loneliness, joy, trust, loss. And when they form bonds outside their species, it reveals a deeper truth. Connection is not learned, it is natural. In a divided world, animals show us unity without words. If a dog and an elephant can become best friends, if a cat can protect a bird, if fear can turn into trust, then what excuse do we have? These friendships remind us that differences are not barriers. Kindness is universal. Love is a choice. Nature teaches us what society often forgets. As you watch these incredible friendships, remember this. Somewhere right now, two beings who should never be friends are choosing each other. Not because they have to, but because they want to. And maybe, just maybe, the world becomes a better place because of it. Friendship doesn't ask who you are. It asks only one thing. Will you stay?